Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 12th standard State Board Business Maths Chapter 2 Exercise 2.7 second Roman letter first sum integral 1 to 4 f of x dx, but here f of x is given as two parts. The first limit is 1 to 2, the second limit is 2 to 4, but the interval lower limit is 1 and the upper limit is 4. Okay, now you split up the limit. See here, integral 1 to 4 f of x dx equal to integral 1 to 2. What is the limit? First limit 1 to 2, integral 1 to 2 f of x dx plus integral, what is the next one? 2 to 4, 2 to 4 f of x dx. The first one is 1 to 2 f of x dx. The next one is 2 to 4 f of x dx. See here, integral 1 to 2. 1 to 2, what is the value of f of x here? 4x plus 3. See the limit and check the f of x value. What is the f of x value? 4x plus 3. So 4x plus 3 into dx plus integral 2 to 4. 2 to 4, the limit 2 to 4, what is the f of x value? 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5 into dx. Now we will integrate. See, integrate. If you want, you can integrate separately or you will do it as combined. See here, 4 into, what is the x power 1? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula. So, x square by 2, x square by 2 plus 3 into integration of dx is what? X we already seen. What is the limit? 1 to 2 plus the same way 3x power 1, 3x square by 2 plus 5 into x. So, what is the limit? 2 to 4, because integral dx is what? X. See, you cancel this thing. So, 2x square plus 3x, what is the limit? 1 to 2 plus 3x square by 2 plus 5x, what is the limit? 2 to 4. Now, you check the upper limit minus lower limit. What is the upper limit? 2. So, 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2, upper limit minus lower limit. What is the lower limit here? 1. 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1, upper limit minus lower limit. See the next one, the same thing, you substitute the value of upper limit. What is the upper limit here? 3 into 4 square by 2 plus 5 into 4, upper limit. Upper limit is 4 minus lower limit. What is the lower limit here? 2. So, 3 into 2 square by 2, 3 into 2 square by 2 plus 5 into 2, the lower limit. See here, upper limit is 2, so I substituted the upper limit minus lower limit is 1. The same way I can proceed, upper limit is 4 and lower limit is 2. See here, 2 into 2 square, that is 2 into 2 square is what? 4 plus 3 2s are 6 minus 2 into 1 square is what? 2. 2 into 1 square is 2. See here, I will put a flower bracket. 2 plus 3. Okay, the first part is over. Then come to the next one. See here, 3 into 4 square. 3 into 16 by 2. 3 into 16 by 2 plus 20. 3 into 16 by 2 plus 20 minus minus 3 into 4 by 2 because 2 square value is 4. 4 by 2 plus 10. So, see 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 6 14 minus 2 plus 3 is what? 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. So, this part is over. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 6 is 14 minus 2 plus 3 is 5. So, you cancel this one. 8. 8 2s are 16 plus, see here, 28. 20. So, 8 3s are 24 plus 20. 8 3s are 24 plus 20 minus 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 10. 3 2s are 6 plus 10. See here, 14 minus 5 plus, see, 20 44 minus 44 minus 16. 44 minus 16. So, it gives 14 minus 5, 9 plus 44 minus 16, 28. So, 28 plus 9 is, what is the value? 37. So, you can do it straight away or you can take it as a separate term and you can integrate also. You will get the same answer. See the second sum, second subdivision, 0 to 2 f of x dx. In this sum also f of x is given as 2 interval. One is x less than or equal to 1. Less than means it starts from 0 because the lower limit value is given as 0. Okay. So, 0 to 1. What is the next limit they have given? 1 to 2. See here, you will take it as integral 0 to 2 f of x dx equal to, you will split the term 0 to 1 because x less than or equal to 1. What is the lesser value of 1? It is given 0. 0 to 1 f of x dx plus integral 1 to 2. Integral 1 to 2 f of x dx. Integral 1 to 2 f of x dx. So, it gives integral 0 to 1. 0 to 1, what is the f of x value? 3 minus 2x minus x square into dx plus integral 1 to 2. Integral 1 to 2 x square. Integral 1 to 2 x square plus 2x minus 3 into dx. See, if you want, you can do it straight away or otherwise you will take it as a separate term and do the integration part. See here, 3. 3 is a constant. Integration of dx is what? X. Okay. Minus 2 power 1. Can add 1. So, x square by 2. X square by 2 minus x cube by 3 because you can add power 1. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. What is the limit? 0 to 1 plus, same way you can proceed in this also. X square is what? X cube by 3. X square is x cube by 3 plus 2 power 1. X square by 2 minus 3 is a constant. You can take it out. Integral dx is nothing but what? X. So, what is the limit? 1 to 2 is the limit. See here, 2 get cancelled. Here also you can cancel 2. So, you can substitute the value for the upper limit. What is the upper limit? 3 into 1 minus 1 square because upper limit minus 1 cube by 3 upper limit minus lower limit is 0. So, 0 into any number you get the value 0 because all the terms are contains x. Okay. So, plus the same way you can proceed here also 2 upper limit. What is the upper limit? 2 cube by 3 plus 2 square minus 3 into 2 upper limit minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? 1. So 1 cube by 3 plus 1 square minus 3 into 1. Lower limit. See here, 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3. 3 into 1, 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 cube 8 by 3. 2 cube is what? 8 by 3 plus 4 minus 6 plus 4 minus 6 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 3. See here, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1 by 3. 2 minus 1 by 3 plus C 8 by 3 minus 2. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. 4 minus 6 is minus 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 2. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. See here, 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 8 by 3 minus 2 minus into plus minus 1 by 3 minus into minus plus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. See here, 2 minus 1 plus 8. 7. 8 minus 1 because it has a common denominator 3. Okay. Minus 1 plus 8 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So plus 6 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 2 plus 2. So what is the answer for this? The answer for this is 4. See here, minus 1 to 1 f of x dx. See, x greater than or equal to 0 minus x, x less than 0. So, integral minus 1 to 1 f of x dx equal to integral minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0 is x less than 0 f of x plus integral 0 to 1 f of x dx. You don't think always the first term should be, write it in the first. See here, minus 1 to 0. This is nothing but a less than 0. Minus 1 represent less than 0. Less than 0 means you can take it as a, consider value of minus x. You can take it as a corresponding value is minus x. So, minus 1 to 0 minus x into dx. Minus x into dx plus integral 0 to 1, that is greater than 0. 1 is x greater than 0 is what? 1. X greater than 0. X into dx. Minus 1 to 0 x 0 to 1 x into dx. See, if you want to change the limit, see here integral a to b f of x dx equal to minus integral b to a. If you want to change the limit, minus will come out. F of x dx. So, I want to use the property here. It gives minus integral 0 to minus 1. I changed the limit. 0 to minus 1 minus x into dx, or otherwise you can proceed as it is, no problem. You can get the same value only. X into dx. X into dx. So, minus into minus become what? Plus. So, integral 0 to minus 1 x dx plus 0 to 1 x dx. See here. See. Integral x, that is x power 1, x square by 2. X square by 2. What is the limit? 0 to minus 1 plus x square by 2. What is the limit? Same way 0 to 1. Now you substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is minus 1 the whole square by 2, because in the place of x you can substitute the value of upper limit is minus 1. minus 1 whole square by 2 minus lower limit is 0 by any number is 0 plus 1 square by 2 minus the same way 0 by any number is 0. So, it gives 1 square minus 1 the whole square is 1. So, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So, what is the answer? 2 by 2 the value is 1 or half plus half is 1. See the fourth sum, f of x equal to cx, 0 less than x less than 1, 0 otherwise. Find c. See the limit is given 0 to 1, f of x dx equal to 2. What is the limit 0 to 1? Cx. So, you can substitute integral 0 to 1, f of x is cx. You don't think it is not a open, it is a open interval, it is not a closed interval. Or you can substitute the value 0 to 1, it is approaching to 0, approaching to 1, 0 to 1. Okay, the limit is 0 to 1. What is the value they were given? Cx. Cx into dx equal to 2. Okay, c is constant, you can take it out. Integral 0 to 1, x into dx equal to 2. Now you can integrate c into x power 1, that is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So, x square by 2, what is the limit? 0 to 1 equal to 2. See here, c into upper limit, or you can take it as c by 2 out. 2 is also constant, so you can take it out. Upper limit is what? 1 square minus lower limit. Minus lower limit is what? 0. Lower limit is 0. See here, you can take it as c by 2 into x square. The limit is 0 to 1 equal to 2. So, upper limit 1 square minus lower limit 0 equal to 2. Because equal to 2 it is given in the question itself. Okay. So, c by 2 into 1 equal to 2. So, c by 2 equal to 2. What is the value of c? C equal to 2 into 2. What is the value of c? C equal to 4.